Zach Osborne here with Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Factory Racing. I'm about 5 weeks post-op with my fasciotomy by Dr. Tyson Cobb. I was able to race today here in Las Vegas. It was good to race today with no arm pump, which is the struggle that I had before the surgery with Dr. Cobb. Today I placed second in the final race of the season. It's really awesome for me because I've always struggled at the end of the races with arm pump, and today I had no arm pump, and just was fun to ride. So since the surgery, my training's picked up a lot. I'm able to ride uninhibited every day, which gives me huge confidence coming into a race like tonight, where I would typically struggle with arm pump maybe after lap 8 or 9, and tonight I was able to just ride the whole race without any arm pump at all, and I haven't had any symptoms since the surgery. My grip strength's increased by almost 100%, so almost doubled, and yeah, it's a great feeling.